Lindo.
There was a girl I knew. She said she cared about me. She tried to make my world the way she thought it should be. Yeah, we were desperate then to have each other in a whole love.
Well, for someone who's never taken a car apart before, this project was more than a handful. Along the way, I learned a lot about these old vans, but I learned even more about myself. I started by taking the whole van apart, and I most likely won't remember how to put it back together, but I learned as I went on. Most of the time, I had no idea what I was doing, and looking back, I would have done a lot of things differently. But oh well, here we are. The van is fully disassembled. Now I got to a point where I'd rather send the car to a specialist. I want to leave the body work and paint job to somebody who knows what they're doing. It's been, I think, 5 years since I started this project. So here's a little update on what I've done and what's gonna happen. So it's got pretty bad holes here. Here, there's metal missing here, very crusty here, very rough here. So yeah, it took a little bit longer than expected, but I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen next. And yeah, I can't wait for the next stage where I can put it all back together. Thanks for watching.